Why entrepreneurship is magic and exciting? Every time it's a new journey, it's a new experience. My name is Jean-Louis Brelet, and I have 40 years of experience in the industry, mostly for a company based in the US. And actually this is where I learn what is private equity. I'm doing the coordination and I'm being also the finance teacher for the Global MBA of the EDHEC. What makes this track different? Where is the EDHEC flavor? EDHEC is working with a lot of partners. We are at the EDHEC in Nice. This track is based here in the south of France, very close to Sophia Antipolis. And somehow it's easier to find a very good startup ecosystem, a very good investor ecosystem in this region. So this track is good, of course, for students who would like to start their own business, so to become an entrepreneur or to increase their entrepreneurship skill set, but also for students who would like to work for venture capitalists. We have successful stories from the last couple of years, and more in general, working also for corporate VC or funding. Every year, when I start my first class, when I kick off this program, I'm telling all the students, I'm not a professor. I'm here as an experienced entrepreneur and experienced investor, and I would like to share that with you as a mentor. Use me to make sure you have the best possible business. There are 3 points which are very important if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, if you want to be a successful venture capitalist. The first one is network, network, network. Then, from a very practical side, at the end of this entrepreneurship track, we have a pitch session for all the entrepreneurs. And they have to be in an entrepreneur's shoes. To do that, we invite jury members who are real investors, real business angels. And we ask a partner for their boardroom to make sure we can do this pitching session as close as possible to real condition. Starting a business to solve a problem, this is what every investor will look at. So in a nutshell, the entrepreneurship track is about turning an idea into a real business and then being able to run it for the long term.